How to make a woman chase you instead. Stop trying too hard, start getting the kind of attention you actually want. Here's how to make her pursue you. Number 1. Stop being needy. Neediness is the fastest way to kill attraction. Constantly seeking her approval, dropping everything to reply, or being at her beck and call screams desperation. She doesn't want a man who needs her validation to feel good about himself. Instead, focus on building a life that's full and fulfilling. Pursue your passions, prioritize your friends, and keep your schedule busy. Let her see that she's a welcome addition to your world, not the center of it. The moment you stop acting needy, you'll notice her desire to earn your attention increase. Number 2. Own your body language. Your body speaks before you even open your mouth. Slouching, fidgeting, or crossing your arms signals insecurity. If you want to make an impression, you need to own your space. Stand tall, keep your shoulders back, and make eye contact, just enough to show you're present, but not to intimidate. Use open gestures, relax your movements, and avoid looking like you're uncomfortable in your own skin. When your body language reflects confidence, you'll command attention without saying a word. Number 3. Use humor to connect. Humor is one of the most effective tools to spark attraction. It doesn't mean you need a bag full of jokes or a comedy routine. It's about finding humor in the moment and using it to build a connection. Share witty observations or light-hearted comments that fit the situation. Self-deprecating humor can work. But don't overdo it. The goal is to show her you're fun and relaxed without making a fool of yourself. When you make her laugh, you're breaking down barriers and building rapport. Number 4. Challenge her thinking. Women respect a man who has his own opinions and isn't afraid to share them. Don't be a yes man. Engaging in healthy debates, playful banter, and asking thought-provoking questions can create a spark that basic compliments never will. Challenge her perspectives respectfully and share your own views confidently. This shows you value her mind, not just her looks, and that you see her as an equal in conversation. The excitement of an engaging discussion will leave her wanting more. Number 5. Create an emotional bond. Attraction isn't just about looks, it's about making her feel a connection. Open up about your life experiences and listen actively to hers. Let her feel like she's discovering different sides of you over time. Reflect on her words, show empathy, and find common ground that ties you together. When you share values or experiences, the emotional bond you form goes beyond surface-level attraction, making you someone she genuinely wants to be close to. Number 6. Build sexual tension. Sexual tension is about creating an atmosphere of anticipation, not just physical touch. Light touches, a lingering gaze, or standing close enough to create a subtle charge can ignite attraction. The trick is to suggest possibility without being too direct. Let the tension build naturally. When there's an unspoken electricity between you, she'll be drawn to the excitement and mystery of where things might lead. Number 7. Detach from the outcome. The more you detach from needing her approval, the more attractive you become. When you're not fixated on how she feels about you, you allow yourself to genuinely enjoy the moment. This detachment signals confidence and a life that doesn't revolve around her validation. It gives her the space to want you on her own terms, and that's when true attraction starts to grow.